How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. If the Facebook Marketplace is not accessible to you on Facebook, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, you will need to check for the criteria for Facebook Marketplace. There is an eligibility criteria on Facebook Marketplace. To access Facebook Marketplace, you must be an adult based on the law of your country, and the other criteria is to live in a country where Facebook Marketplace is available. If you meet these criteria and still Facebook Marketplace is not available, then update your app. Open App Store or Play Store on your device and search for the Facebook app. If there is an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open Settings. In Settings, go to the search bar on the top and search for Facebook. Now open it and you will see an interface like this. Go to the location option and make sure that you have selected while using this app. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. If the problem isn't fixed yet, then you will need to contact Facebook customer support. After that, they will be able to resolve your issue. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.